Good morning, class. Welcome once again to our Introduction to Natural Science class for JHS 1. For today, our discussion will focus on Unit 3, and our topic is about the scientific knowledge. Let's go on to discuss about scientific knowledge. What at all is the scientific knowledge? The scientific knowledge is the knowledge acquired through science. And so when we acquire knowledge through science, we call it scientific knowledge. Scientific knowledge results from the effort of many scientists who apply the scientific methods to solve problems. So when these scientists apply the scientific methods to solve problems, they come out with knowledge. And the knowledge that they acquire is what we call the scientific knowledge. Let's look at some importance of the scientific knowledge. Why is scientific knowledge important? Through the knowledge of science, we are able to give explanation to certain occurrences in the environment. Yes, science has been able to explain to us why certain things happened. For instance, science explains to us why earthquakes happens. Through science, we have also been able to find out why sometimes we grow crops and the crops are not able to yield. Through science, we have been able to explain why sometimes as human beings we feel sick. So certain occurrences in our environment that may seem mysterious have been explained by science. Also, through the knowledge of science, our lives or the quality of our lives are being improved. For instance, gone were the days where we have to trek for a long time to go to one place. Now, with fast moving airplanes and cars, we are able to move from one continent to the other, not even from town to town. Also, we are able to just by the click of our phones talk to our family and friends around the globe. Through science, mothers do not die as usual in childbirth, and our quality of life has improved. So scientific knowledge has improved our quality of life. Also, the knowledge of science has led to the development in society. There are a lot and lot and lot that you can mention. Education has improved, healthcare has improved, communication has improved, transportation. There are a lot. I know you know most of the things in our communities that has improved as a result of science. And other ones is that the knowledge of science has provided us with tools and gadgets used in the offices. We use laptop, like what I'm sharing with you now, and through the power of the internet. Our farms, we have tractors, we have combine harvesters. Our homes, we just at the click of the pipe, we get hot water. We blend our things, we watch televisions. There are a lot, and science has provided with gadgets that makes our life easier. Now, all this knowledge that science has also brought us, there is also the other side to us. To every advantage, there is a disadvantage. Now, this knowledge that scientists have acquired, others has also used it negatively. So we call this negative use of science as the misuse of the scientific knowledge. What are some of the things that others have used the knowledge of science in a negative way? Humans have used the knowledge of science to develop harmful substances. Example is the atomic bomb. We all know the case of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan, where a lot of people died as a result of the atomic bomb. And we have the nuclear bombs as well. We also have guns, not sophisticated guns that are used to kill humans, used to kill wild animals, and main people all because of the knowledge that we have acquired for science. Also, through science, we've acquired heavy machineries that are being used for our farming activities. Yet, these heavy machineries are also destroying our environment. They are causing pollutions to us. There are a lot and lots of other misuse of the scientific knowledge that you and I know, and I hope that we will discuss more in our forum. Let's go on to the next aspect. Now that you have known the misuse of science, what is the importance of science to society? We have discussed the importance of the scientific knowledge. Now, what is the importance of science in general to society? Science has helped us in the production of our basic needs, and basic food needs of man include food. Now we are able to get good food to eat, food that will help us grow healthy and strong. And we have shelter, good buildings, skyscrapers are all being put up. Clothing, we have different type of clothes. Clothes we wear when the weather is very cold, clothes we wear when the weather is very hot, clothes we wear when we are going to the beach and other places. Good clothing we wear to protect ourselves, clothing for swimming, clothing for riding, and all these has come about as a result of science, and they are benefiting mankind and the society. Science has also made our work easier by providing us with tools and gadgets. As a teacher, I'm no longer in the classroom with you, but I'm there virtually, and this has come as a result of science. Science has also promote good health. We have good medications. Now you no longer have to wait till somebody is really sick. You go to the lab, they diagnose you, and then they give you medications, and you are well. Science has also made transportation easy. People in Ghana can travel to the United States of America. Some can go to UK and other places. Within a twinkle of an eye, you are in one continent of the world. And this has all come as a result of science. Now, for our lesson today, we have learned about the scientific knowledge and how they are beneficial to society. We have also learned about scientific knowledge and how the misuse of this knowledge affects society. This brings us to the end of our lesson for Unit 2. I hope you go to your V class and do the assignment that has been uploaded.